Two guys walk into a job interview. Same resume, same clothes, same preparation. One of them gets the job. The other one gets told, "We'll let you know." And here's the part that'll make you angry. The hiring manager didn't even consciously know why. Studies show that within the first 7 seconds of hearing someone speak, people have already made judgments about your confidence, your intelligence, your authority, and if your voice sounds thin, high, or weak, you've already lost before you've said a single meaningful word. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to wake you up, because today, I'm going to give you 10 real science-backed ways to deepen your voice, and I'm saving the most powerful one for later, because almost nobody talks about it. And it might be the single thing holding your voice back right now. Don't skip. You'll regret it. I want you to listen to something.
No, he's not teasing you. It's just that we can't do that. So naturally, we're curious as to how your web situation works.
Thin nasal voice. Now listen to this.
The Mind Stone. It's one of the 6 Infinity Stones, the greatest power in the universe, unparalleled in its destructive capability.
Deep, resonant voice. Both of these are real men, real voices. But I want you to be brutally honest with yourself right now. Which one did you feel instant respect for? Which one did you feel nothing for? That feeling you just had? Other people are feeling that about you every single day. And here's the good news. A deep voice is not something you're born with or without. It's a skill, and I'm going to prove it to you in the next few minutes. Number 1, humming. This is the simplest tip on this entire list. And most guys skip it because it sounds too easy. Don't. Every morning, before you speak to anyone, before you open your phone, before you say good morning, just hum. Deep, low, relaxed humming for 60 seconds. What you're doing is warming up your vocal cords and training your diaphragm to sit lower. Do it for 7 days straight. Your baseline voice will already be noticeably lower, I promise you that. But before I go to tip 2, I need to stop you right here, because there's one mistake, one single mistake, that is silently destroying your voice quality. And I'm not talking about something complicated. I'm talking about something you're probably doing right now as you watch this video. 87% of men make this mistake every single day. And it doesn't matter how many voice exercises you do. If you don't fix this, nothing else will work. I'll show you exactly what it is in less than 60 seconds. But first, tip 2. Number 2, tongue posture. Most men speak with their tongue pushed up toward the roof of their mouth. This physically restricts the resonance of your voice. Right now, try this. Say one sentence with your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth. Notice that? Now drop your tongue flat, low and relaxed. Say the same sentence. Feel the difference? Your voice already sounds fuller, more grounded. Practice this every single day, even while you're watching this video. Number 3, water. Specifically, enough water. Your vocal cords are 2 tiny muscles surrounded by delicate tissue. When that tissue is dry, your voice becomes thinner, scratchy, and higher pitched. It's just basic biology. You want to be sipping water consistently throughout the day, not gulping a glass right before you speak. I personally use a 1-liter insulated bottle that I keep next to me all day. It keeps my water cold, and I always know how much I've had. I'll link the one I use in the description. All right, I promised you the mistake. Here it is. You're breathing from your chest. Or worse, from your neck. When you breathe from your chest, your vocal cords have to work to push sound out. They strain, they tighten, and a tight, strained throat produces a higher, weaker voice. A deep voice comes from your diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs. Here's how to test yourself right now. Put one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. Now breathe in. Which hand moved? If your chest moved, you're doing it wrong. And this single habit is why your voice sounds the way it sounds. Fix it by practicing belly breathing. Breathe in so your stomach pushes out. Breathe out slowly. Do this for 5 minutes every morning. This is the one thing nobody talks about, and it's the foundation of everything else on this list. Number 5, breathe through your nose, not your mouth. Mouth breathing dries out your vocal cords every single time. It also, over time, affects your jaw structure and facial appearance. Nose breathing filters and humidifies the air before it reaches your vocal cords. Your voice will immediately sound more controlled and resonant. If you struggle with this, especially at night, there are nasal breathing strips that make a massive difference. I'll link what I personally use below. Number 6, the pen trick. Put a pen horizontally in your mouth and talk for 5 to 10 minutes a day. I know, it feels ridiculous. Do it anyway. This forces your jaw, tongue, and mouth muscles to work harder to produce clear sounds. When you take the pen out, your articulation becomes sharper, and your voice carries more depth and control. Number 7, Train your neck muscles, specifically the sternocleidomastoid, the muscles that run along either side of your throat. Weak neck muscles physically compress the space your vocal cords need to vibrate freely. This raises your pitch. Neck extensions, lateral bends, rotations, just 5 minutes a day. Number 8. Testosterone. Testosterone directly affects vocal cord thickness and depth. The simplest way to support this naturally? Sprinting. 3 to 5 all-out sprints 3 times a week. It's one of the best natural testosterone signals you can send your body. And if you want to support that further, I take a daily supplement stack. My exact supplement stack is linked in the description below. Number 9. Kill the nasal tone. Pinch your nose and speak a sentence. You'll hear that thin, buzzing nasal quality. Now let go and speak again. But consciously try to avoid that nasal sound. Push the resonance down into your chest instead of up through your nose. Do this daily for 2 weeks. You will notice a clear shift in how your voice sounds. And number 10. Slow down. Fast talking compresses your breath, strains your vocal cords, and makes your voice sound thinner and more nervous. Slow down your speech by 20%. Lower your volume slightly. Take deliberate pauses between sentences. Not only will your voice sound deeper and more controlled, you will appear more confident, more intelligent, and more authoritative to everyone in the room. The pause is power. Use it, subscribe, and hit the bell, because that video goes up this week, and you do not want to miss it. Everything I mentioned today, the water bottle, the supplement stack, the breathing strips, it's all linked in the description below, organized by tip number. See you in the next one.